Today should be the last day of the 30 days Yorùbá Greetings challenge, but I'm going to add 2 more greetings to it, which is going to take us into the new year. I will use today to explain the difference between the use of Akúu or ẹkúu when greeting. Akúu and ẹkúu both means the expression of greeting in Yoruba. The difference between the two of them is in their usage. Akúu is used when the greeting involves both you and the person you are greeting. For example, like I told you about Akúu palẹ̀mọ́ ọdún tuntun, a greeting for the preparation into the new year. Now we both are preparing into the new year, so I can say Akúu. Meanwhile, ẹkúu is used when the greeting does not involve you but only the person you are greeting. For example, when you say ẹkúu ọdún ọjọ́ ìbí, means somebody a happy birthday. Now it's not your birthday, you are only wishing the person. In that case, you cannot say Akúu because the greeting does not involve you. Ẹkúu can still be used to replace Akúu. Even though the greeting involves both of you, you can still say ẹkúu instead of using Akúu. But in the case that the greeting involves only the person, you can only use ẹkúu, you can't say Akúu. I hope you understand the difference very clearly. Ó tún dọ̀la o. Till tomorrow.